In 1825, the Great Miramichi Fire ravaged New Brunswick, Canada, consuming nearly 3 million acres. This inferno left the land barren, yet nature's resilience shone through. By 1830, vibrant green shoots emerged, signaling rebirth. But how did the ecosystem adapt so swiftly? The fire's intense heat cracked open pine cones, releasing seeds that thrived in the nutrient-rich ash. This unexpected twist of nature's design sparked a rapid recovery, transforming desolation into a lush forest. Today, the Miramichi region stands as a testament to nature's power to heal and renew, reminding us of the delicate balance within ecosystems.